Okay, to do the implicit differentiation, we have the following steps. Number 1, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Number 2, isolate all dy over dx terms on the left side. So sa function na to, meron tayong dalawang variable sa left side na kailangan muna nating isolate since meron tayong dalawang involved na variable. So ang pagkuha natin dito ng derivatives ay isa-isa. Okay? So for example, number 1, differentiate x squared plus y squared is equals to 81. Unlike dun sa mga previous na example natin or sa mga video lesson natin, na walang involved na another variable. So hindi na siya in forms of y is equal to f of x. Kasi meron tayong dalawang variable dito. So ang gagawin lang natin, kukunin natin yung derivatives ng bawat isa, left side and right side. So kunin natin yung derivative ng x squared, and then kunin din natin yung derivative ng y squared, and then yung derivative ng 81. So kailangan familiar na tayo sa mga gagamitin natin o yung mga tinatawag nating rules para makuha natin yung mga derivatives. So dito apply lang natin yung power rule, and ito constant, no? So kunin natin yung derivative ng x squared, and that is 2x. And then kunin natin yung derivative nito, that is 2y. Since ang ginagawa natin, ina-isolate natin itong nasa left side, no, in terms of x. So kailangan natin i-multiply yung 2y kay dy over dx. Kaya meron siyang dy over dx is equal to 0. So ito yung kailangan natin kunin. So since ito yung hinahanap natin, so what we're going to do, ilipat natin si 2x dun sa right side. So magiging 2y dy over dx is equal to negative 2x. Then para makuha natin yung dy over dx, we need to divide both side by 2y. So i-divide natin both side by 2y. So maka-cancel yung 2y dito. So ang maiwan na lang dyan is yung dy over dx. And then maka-cancel din yung 2 kasi negative 2 ay yung 2 pwede natin i-cancel. So maiwan natin na lang na sagot is negative x over y. So ito na yung sagot natin. So dy over dx is equal to negative x over y.